everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a very beautiful and stylish crochet bottle cover designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like these all the beautiful design and pattern ideas. These all the cozy lady bottle covers ideas are easy to knit at home. Get ready to create a personalized and eco-friendly accessory for your favorite bottle cover. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. And please watch this video till end and without skip. So let's get started. To start, we will be using a yarn and a hook. Let's dive into a pattern. You need all the ideas with the help of crochet hook and yarn. You required mini yarn, which add a touch of touch of elegance and styles. To shape, we will add some texture and pattern. For a customized look, try adding some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, crochet work flowers, crochet work different characters, cartoon characters, different vegetables and fruit shapes, and you use and decor your bottle covers and different covers easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet cozy bottle cover is complete and ready to use, ready to give for your lovely ones, for your babies, school water bottle cover. And if you want to see more ideas, about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Thanks for sitting along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial videos and pattern ideas. These are amazing and useful for your bottle cover. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. If you want more information about crochet work, baby frock, ladies dresses, crochet work, baby frocks, baby booties, ladies dresses, ladies designs, so please tell me in comment section. Take care. Thanks for watching. Okay viewers, bye bye.